Welcome YouTubers and dear subscribers. In this video you are going to learn 25 Telugu Short Sentences and all the sentences in this video that you are going to learn you can use it with your friends or who are younger than you, not with the elders. So let's begin. Just a minute. Okka nimisham. Okka nimisham. Where are you going? Ekkadaki veltunnavu. Ekkadaki veltunnavu. Just coming. Ippude vastunnaanu. Ippude vastunnaanu. When will you come? Eppudu vastavu. Eppudu vastavu. Any more? Inka emaina? Inka emaina. Enough. Chaalu. Chaalu. Anything else? Vere emaina? Vere emaina. No worries. Chinta ledu. Chinta ledu. No admission. Anumati ledu. Anumati ledu. Tell the truth. Nijam cheppu. Nijam cheppu. Open the door. Taluppu tiyi. Taluppu tiyi. Come forward. Munduku ra. Munduku ra. Come alone. Ontariga ra. Ontariga ra. I am feeling sleepy. Naaku nidra vastundi. Naaku nidra vastundi. This is good. Idi bagundi. Idi bagundi. I don't want anything. Naaku emi vaddu. Naaku emi vaddu. Is it cold today? Ee roju challaga unda? Ee roju challaga unda? Today is a good day. Ee roju manchi roju. Ee roju manchi roju. It is raining. Varsham padutundi. Varsham padutundi. What is the time? Time enta? Time enta? How old are you? Nee vayasu enta? Nee vayasu enta? Where do you work? Nuvvu ekkada pani chestavau? Nuvvu ekkada pani chestavau? I am happy. Nenu santoshanga unnanu. Nenu santoshanga unnanu. Tomorrow is Sunday. Repu ఆదివారం. రేపు ఆదివారం. Where are you? ఎక్కడ ఉన్నావు? ఎక్కడ ఉన్నావు? Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe for more Telugu language tutorials.